Hi guys, this is Gaurav right now. Okay, and today what we're going to through is we're going to go through something which is called as Facebook Canvas ads. Okay, and let me quickly walk you through that. What is really a Facebook Canvas ads? So let's go to our Facebook application right now. All right, here we go. Okay, that's our Facebook application. So now what Facebook Canvas ads are? So I'll just go into my screen. Alright, let's just go here. So guys, it's a new ad format. It's a new ad format by Facebook right now. You could see right here. That's one of the ads by MI on my, what do you say, on my timeline. And when I talk about these ads, so these ads are pretty amazing. So it says fast as light, and it gives you kind of an arrow to open up. And these are only mobile only ads right now. And if I click on it right now, look at this, how beautifully it would open up a screen. Which would be kind of a micro website, you may say. Very beautiful looking micro website which opens as soon as you click on it. Okay, it has like all different kinds of call to actions, like what should I say? It's just very classy. Okay, very classy. The kind of ads which you're talking about. Okay, I just clicked on a call to action, I believe, and that's how it took me to MI5. Okay, so this is one of the ads which has been very recent, and I'll show you a couple of more examples of this. So just give me a second. Sorry. Okay, here we go. So let's just go into one of the pages. Okay, here we go, got it. So guys, this is one of the pages that keeps on reposting all the Facebook Canvas ads. So a couple of more to just showcase you. One is this one right now. You could see for Vodafone Turkey, I guess. And look at this, how beautifully it plays like this. Matte, blah blah blah, and 2 GB, 750 disk MB. It's kind of a beautiful ad. It's a beautiful ad actually. So it's a video as well somewhere.
Ben zaten Vodafone'luyum. Kardeşimi de getirdim ve
anyways, that's one of the ads. Let's scroll down a little bit more and let's try to see another one. This is from, I guess, T-Mobile, and this is also a very classy ad. Let's go and click on it and let's see.
What moves me is great music. Great music can change your day, can change your life. Beats has it all. And they have the style, extreme.
Look at this, beautiful. It's a video, and then you could see I could go ahead and tilt my mobile device and it will move according to that. And when you go further down, look at this, they have all the beautiful shopping ads kind of thing right now in mobile, and it looks amazingly when and ending it with a call to action. So these kind of ads are extremely amazing, I must say. Okay, let's just go back, show me a couple of more. This is Wendy's, amazing ad again. So when you click on this only works in mobile, that's why I have to shoot up in mobile right now. Let's take it from the top. You could see right now, this is my screen, and when I go further, it just tells me about the crest. You could tilt your phone to see the entire cheese base or whatever they have in terms of it. Then you could go ahead, the lettuce, ketchup, and onions, everything right here. So basically it's just going to be amazing stuff, the way they are cooking it up. And then in the end you could see that there is going to be call to action. The difference is in it there. Okay, so that's another one. So these are various formats which we have. We have quite a lot of formats from Jordan. Then we have from Burberry. Really crazy amount of formats, good formats with these ads, and I believe this can really help you in mobile marketing. Okay, so I'll switch it off from here and I'll take you to my my Facebook ads manager, and I will show you how exactly you have to create these ads. Okay, so I'll see you in a moment. We are here now on our Facebook page. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to go into one of your pages, any page you have right now. I have got this page, so I'll quickly go into this page. So now what you need to do to make a canvas ads is you need to go into publishing tools. You need to go into publishing tools right away. So it would be right on top, and these publishing tools, I guess, would only appear once you have more than 30 likes, as far as I remember. Okay, so once you are here, so guys, on the left hand side you'll see there is something called as canvas, okay. So now you click on those canvas, and then it will give you two default canvas which are there, or one was made by me and one was already a tutorial. Okay, and now you could say create. Okay. So when you say create, there are a lot of this would be a preview right here, and you could select a theme, white, black, or you could have a custom theme in terms of color combinations, whatever color combinations you want. Okay. Then you could have a mid header. Right now this is mostly a logo. Let me upload a logo right away. So I've got a couple of things here, so I'll use that. So background color, if you want for the logo, you could have it. I'm gonna have a little similar matching color. Here we go. Now once you've done this, after that you need to put some photos. Recommended image width of 1080 pixels. It says photos. You could have a photo, you could have a button, you could even add components if you want, and you could have a video as well. Let me take a video, and then let me just move this up. So video would be autoplay, guys. The video is going to be an autoplay, a wonderful way to actually go and have call to action. So I do have some videos with me. I would love to just say, right, let me just choose it. Upload a video. I have uploading a video. I have a couple of videos I have. I'm just really seeing which one to upload. All right, so this one should work. Okay, I'll upload a video right now. Video is going to be autoplay. Then next we have photograph, which we need to have. Okay, photograph or whatever you wish to have. You could also have tap to expand, or tilt to plane, or whatever. You could also have a destination URL for that photo. You could do all sorts of things. Let's see if we have some photo with us. Matching photograph would really help. Let's just see. So now what you'll see, you'll start seeing this, right now you could see 5x your open rates, and you have right here my photo, and now the video is being encoded, and look at this, now the video is already there. So now we have a top, on the top we have one particular logo and with a background color. Then we have something which is a video. Now video is always going to be autoplay. You could have tilt to plan or default. Okay, I would prefer advise you to make it default, because then it fits in the screen itself. Otherwise, if you say tilt to pan, you will have to actually go ahead and tilt your phone. The user will have to tilt his phone to actually see the entire part of the video. Then we have a photo. I could give it a URL right now. Okay, so you could give it your URL, landing page URL, that would be best. You could also have a tap to expand if you want, or you could also have a tilt to plan. Look at this. For tilt, it would become a little different. For default, that's what it is recommended for this image. If it is a bigger image, then you could take that. Then you have button, and you say write. It says write something. Okay, click here to get instant access. All right, and now I could design the button. I could do HTTP again gauramadan.com. Okay, and now button color, you could see right here. So whatever button color you want, you could have it. All right, also you could also go ahead and do the other parts, like to fill this, and you could also make it white here. Look at this, how beautiful it becomes now. So all together now, this is a canvas ad. You could also say fixed to bottom. Now the button would be fixed to bottom. You keep on adding more components, the button would always remain fixed at the bottom. It's a nice way. Again, you could also do that, and you could have add component now further. So you have also a carousel coming here right now, and in carousel you could have multiple products, which would be here, at least 2 images in carousel it says. Okay, I would need some good images. Let me see if I have a few. Just give me a second. I have a couple of screenshots here. So I would need some images here. So let's just see if I have some images. Okay. So basically, you get the gist of it, right? So I'll just put some couple of images for now. I'll put another one. So waiting for another one. That should do. Okay. Now these images, you could move it up, down. So let's move this up. Look at this, that becomes a carousel kind of thing. So now what happens is you could have a video, which is an autoplay video. Then you could have something which is going to reflect right here, 5x open rates, which is kind of an image. You could have banners, whatever you want. And then you could have a carousel playing here. This is kind of a carousel right now, which you could see. Keep the size same. And then you could also have something which is right here, a button. Okay, a call to action in the end. So all doing all this, once you've done all these things, okay, what you need to do is you need to give your name. Let's say this is Gaurav's demo canvas. Okay, and once you've done that, you could also have a quick preview. You could save the draft. There is something which we need to fix. This image width is more than 3 times larger than its height. Image has been scaled to fit your canvas, which may affect your quality. That's fine. So what all things are left now? Image must be the same size. Look at this. That's what it says. Image must be the same size. So that's something which I'm having as a problem right now. So I'll remove this canvas. I mean, carousel. You could have the same image carousel. And all I'm going to do is that's it right here. And I'm going to say save draft. So this is one of the canvas which I've built right now. Okay, and I could say finish as well, or I could just push it. Okay, so I could push it right now, send a preview to the canvas to your phone or mobile device. Okay, you could do that right now. If you click on this, what will happen is a notification would be sent to the mobile phone. So now a notification must have come on my mobile phone saying that the canvas is ready. Okay, so I'm right now just browsing my mobile phone. Unfortunately, I cannot show you my screen right now. You will be able to do it when you are able to, you'll see it yourself. Now, and I just have opened it and I have a video playing autoplay. And anyways, that's something in mobile which I did. You could just do it yourself as well and you'll get the difference. It will be opening in mobile app, okay? And then once you're done, you say finish. Once you're done, you say finish. Okay, now once you have done and said finish, now this is a get URL. Okay, when you see two options, create page post or get URL, right? You could create a page post or you could have a get URL right now. Now what you need to do is you need to say get URL, copy this. Okay, once you copy this, you need to go ahead and now let's quickly go ahead into our Facebook ads manager. So guys, once you have created your canvas ad, all you need to do is go into your ad manager. Right now I'm into my ad manager, you could see. Okay, so from your ad manager, there would be an option which would say, please go into your power editor. Okay, so you have to go into your power editor right away. Okay, so you go into power editor. The power editor is right here. I've opened my power editor already. Now all you need to do is create a new ad. Not really ad, I would say create a campaign rather. You create a new campaign. You say, let's say Gaurav's first canvas. Then you need to have clicks to website. Select clicks to website here. You need to go ahead and say choose an ad set. First canvas set, and then an ad test canvas 1. Okay, you got to go ahead and create. You need to go ahead and say create. Now once you've created this, it's absolutely fine. This is clicks to website. You go into ad sets level and you do the budgeting. Then you could actually go ahead and into the ad part right away, the final part, which is advertisement. So I'll just go ahead and have my page rolled up. And now once you're here, look at this, it says website URL or select a canvas. Okay, all you need to do is select a canvas. You could have that canvas doc which is there right now. Okay, or you could delete this but not really have canvas. You could have website URL right here, and what you could do is you could go back and take this URL now and put this into right here, and boom, it goes right here. Remove Instagram. It's not supported for Instagram actually. So now you could see that's how my canvas is right here. Okay, my canvas is right here, and it has taken the image because that's the only image which is there in that particular canvas. You could have another image, and you could make sure that fits the screen, and it's probably as advisable. So you could also have a headline image right here. You could choose another image, and you could have URL tags and whatnot. Just you need to go ahead and now say review changes, and it would be done. Okay, so that's guys, that's how your canvas ads, you make a canvas ads. Extremely simple. First you'll have to go into your Facebook publishing tools. I mean in your page, you'll have to create a canvas. Remember one thing, once you have created the canvas, you cannot edit it. Okay, so it's always important you preview your canvas before you actually finish it. Okay, I cannot now edit this canvas, it's already done. Second, go into your ads manager. From there, go into your power editor. From power editor, create clicks to website as a campaign. Okay, select a new ad set and then a new ad, and in your new ad just go ahead and paste the URL right here in website URL. Okay, and canvas will be reflected right here, and you could even see if you could actually see from right here which canvas you've selected. Okay, so that's all right now. That's all right now from my side. I hope you really enjoyed this series, and I'm hopeful that you'll test it for your mobile campaigns. This is purely a micro website built in altogether, and specifically it loads up pretty fast. Okay, so that's one thing. And second thing is, if you're doing mobile campaigns, guys, this can really turn out to be a great asset for you, because in mobile campaigns in Facebook, now when you direct the person to a landing page, sometimes what happens is the conversions cost is more, whereas if you go through this particular option, you could still go ahead and direct the person to a particular call to action, though you cannot have a form here yet. Okay, we are hopeful that the form integration will be done, but then not yet. And but you can definitely direct the person to your particular landing page, or for that matter to your particular sales page as well, and that's where you would easily be able to do all those things. Also, another feature of Facebook canvas is actually it gives you an option right now. So let me just cancel this. So now normally when I click on this and I click on add component, right now what you see is only couple of things. Okay, one thing which is missing from here is product catalog. The product catalog option is also available. Okay, unfortunately it's not reflected in this page, but normally you'll also find a sixth option which will say product catalog. Okay, a product catalog. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, it's me, God, of signing off. Have a great day ahead, guys.